Hello and welcome to another video session of geekvale. We're going to talk about perimeter of a shape on a rectangular coordinate system. Now the prior information that you need for this lecture is the distance formula. So if you don't know anything about distance formula, you can watch that lecture. I have posted the link in the description which describes about the distance formula and the midpoint formula. That lecture you should watch first. Otherwise, if you already have a pretty good information about what the distance formula is, you can continue with the lecture. Okay, and for practice questions, I have picked some questions from this book called The Big Ideas Mathematics Common Core Geometry. Okay, so here we have some questions. As you can see, in exercise 17 to 24, use the diagram. Find the perimeter of the triangle CDE. Find the perimeter of the rectangle BCEF. Find the perimeter of the triangle ABF. Okay, so I'm gonna do one of these shapes. Let's do triangle. Okay, I'm gonna choose the first one, the easy one. Okay, so CDE, let me highlight that for you. This is the triangle we're gonna work on. So the perimeter of the triangle CDE, perimeter of triangle CDE will be the distance CD plus the distance DE plus the distance EC. I need all three distances to calculate the perimeter of the triangle. So to calculate the distance CD, this is -5 by the way, in case if you get confused. CD, using the distance formula, we will do x2 minus x1, 4 minus 4 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square, -5 minus -1 whole square. We'll get 0 square plus -5 minus -1. These two minus multiply becomes plus. -5 plus 1, -4. -4 square will be equals to square root of 4 square, 16, 4. So CD is 4 units. We calculated that. Now the next one, which is the distance DE. Let me move that away. Yeah, that should look fine. Okay, DE, distance DE will be, again, x2 minus x1, 2 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1, -3 minus -5 whole square. That will be equals to 2 minus 4 will be 2, so -2, sorry, -2 square plus -3 minus -5. These two minuses multiply becomes plus, -3 plus 5, 2 square. We'll get 4 plus 4. We'll get square root of 8. We'll get 2 square root of 2. Distance DE is 2 square root of 2 units. Okay, now the last one that we have to do, which is EC, or you can also call it CE, because the distance stays the same irrespective if you do EC or CE. Anyways, EC distance will be x2 minus x1, 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1, -1 minus -3 whole square. So we'll get 2 square plus -1 minus -3. -1 plus 3 will be 2 square again. 4 plus 4, 8, again 2 square root of 2. So for this one we got 2 square root of 2 units. Now to calculate the perimeter, all we need to do is add these three distances. So we have the distance CD equals to 4 units plus 2 square root of 2 units plus 2 square root of 2 units. Now these are two like terms, what we can say, so it will be like 2 of 2 square root of 2 units, and you can call it 4 plus 4 square root of 2. You can add these two to get the final answer. That will be like a decimal. I don't have a calculator right now, so I'm not calculating the exact value, so you can determine it, and that will be your answer. Whenever no unit is given in the question, or like in this case, no unit is given on the graph, so you can just stick with the word units. like the answer is that many. Instead of like 13.5 centimeter or 10 centimeter, millimeter, whatever, you can just go with the words units. And that's about it. That's how you can calculate the perimeter of a given shape on the rectangular coordinate system using the distance formula. And this is like an application of distance formula. Another application of the distance formula is how you can determine the area of a given shape on the rectangular coordinate system. We will be covering that in the next lecture. Follow us on Facebook. Make sure you subscribe my channel. Please share it to your friends. If you get confused with anything, post that in the comment section. You can send us your homework, and you can visit our website if you need tutoring for any subject. Thank you.